And then this marvelously sort of amazing and yet disturbing last couplet. Therefore I lie with her, and she with me, and in our faults by lies we flattered thee. I can almost see the speaker smirking at me through the page. So again, what do? Get in the habit, right? Language. My first question, and I feel like everybody would notice this, is the weird behavior of the word lie. So my question is, how does the word lie behave here? It's not a bad question to ask. If you're wondering why is something here, that's interesting. Why does the poet use this word? That's always a good question. Also, how does a word behave in a sentence? Depending on syntax, depending on the dramatic situation, words can behave differently, depending on where they find themselves. So that's my first question. My second question are the lies early in the poem the same as the lies at the end? So I don't know the answer to that, but I'm wondering that at this stage. All right, so we have language, we've noticed lie, and then from that we have some questions, right? Now, how does the word lie behave? I think it echoes line 2. When my love swears that she is made of truth, I do believe her, though I know she lies. So it's a nice echo there. So after the first 12 lines of the poem, the word lie has an interesting power and potency as it reflects the strange sexual union between these two people. Even though they seem to constantly, even though they lie, they sleep with each other, they're constantly lying with language, right? And that's kind of really interesting, I think. And then secondly, are the lies of early in the poem, up top there, the same as the lies being mentioned here. So the final line, in our faults by lies we flattered thee. The final line is a blunt admission that the faults of the couple, maybe their age and their lack of truthfulness, are habitually glossed over by their pattern of lies. In our faults by lies we flattered thee. So that the thing that propels their relationship forward and gives their relationship the oxygen it needs is flattery itself, a sort of lie. The self-questioning and delusion of the earlier lines now become just an honest statement about their relationship. That, yep, part of what keeps us together is us sort of deluding each other and lying to each other. A really interesting resolution, I think.